Welcome to this tutorial. I want to add the axis title. To add the axis title, I have two options. The first thing is to click this plus sign on the right to add any chart element, or I can go to this add chart element and add any element that I need. So for example, if I wanted to add the axis title, I will go to this axis title option and then select the primary horizontal. After this, I'll go to the formula bar and write equal, and for the x-axis I will select this per capita income cell and then click enter. And for the y-axis again I will go to this add chart element, go to this axis title and select this primary vertical, go to the formula bar, write equal and select the life expectancy cell and click enter. So we have added the axis title. Now we will add data labels to our bubbles. To add the data label, I will again go to this plus sign and here I will select this data label. I will go to this more options. When I go to this more option, I will click this value from the cell under the label options. When I check it, it will open the data label range. So here I will select the name of the countries and press OK. So now you can see that we have the country's name in the label as well as the values. To remove the values, I will uncheck this Y value. So only the name of the countries are now remain with the bubble. Now the position of this data label should be inside. So I will select this label position from the right to center. So this will make the data labels in the center of all the bubbles. So for example, I don't need to add the data label in the center position for some bubbles. I can individually drag them to position where I want. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Microsoft Excel tutorials. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for further videos. Happy charting!